Simply connect to this website and start designing some logos for yourself. Then go and sell them on Fiverr. It's simple as that, and it's very profitable. Hey guys, I hope you're ready for a life-changing video, because today I'm going to show you how you can make over $200 per hour with this new website. And this doesn't require any trading or any kind of investment, only you, your free time, and a smartphone or a laptop. And guys, this is an evergreen method, so it's guaranteed to work through all the upcoming years. And if you're a maximalist like I am, then make sure to watch the whole video with focus, because I'm going to share a few small secret steps that will maximize your profit. And guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon, because that way you're not only helping me, but you're making sure that you won't miss out on any new method that can potentially make you thousands of dollars every single month. And now let's jump right into the first step. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. So for the first step of our method today, I want you guys to connect to Designhill.com. And this is a website that is going to help us tremendously today in our efforts to make some money online. As you can see right away, you can build an entire brand online with the #1 free creative marketplace in the world. And just take a look at all these different agencies that you can run online just using this free website. Whatever comes to your mind, you will find it here. And all of these options over here are entire businesses that you can run and scale and make an entire franchise and make tons of streams of income at the same time doing this. And what's great about this is that this software will do all of this for you. It does all the logo and brand identity for you. It does the magazines for you, and so on. Because there's like one thing that a lot of people don't understand is that people just don't know where to look. You can literally start a free business anywhere in today's world and build a full-time income online for yourself. You just gotta know where to look, and you just gotta know where to find the right people to teach you where to find these different tools. But that's why I'm here to help you, so let's continue with this. And as you can see, these guys at Designhill.com are trusted by over 100,000 businesses, including BBC and Microsoft. And here you can check out their customer reviews. As you can see, they've got 4.93 out of 5 stars, and they got close to 30,000 ratings, which is great. You can check these over here by yourself. I'll leave that up to you because I don't want to waste any of your time. But as you can see, over 100,000 satisfied clients and over 5 million designs created. So as you can see, these guys are very legit. And now I'm going to show you how this powerful tool works. But it's super important to follow the steps that I'm about to show you, because this can be a bit of a setup. It's not just a matter of going out there and promoting your business. You need to do exactly what I'm going to show you in order to succeed with this. So, for example, let's say we want to start making a logo business. All you need to do is scroll a little bit down and choose this AI logo maker. As they state over here, you will love how fast you can get a professional logo with Designhill. And it truly is like that, because no specific design skill needed from your side. So it means that anyone can do this, and you don't need to have any experience in logo designing. You just have to follow these steps. It's a very simple process, and you can get dozens of logos in minutes. So let's just click on this Get Started button over here and see where it takes us. And this is the page where you're going to be redirected, and all you need to do is enter your company name in this box here. So I will, for example, just type in design and click on generate logos over here. And this is the page where I was redirected. So now you just have to pick 5 or more design styles that you like, because you need to help them understand which styles you prefer so they can make logo based on your own likings. That's super cool feature, and I'm going to choose, for example, this one, maybe this one. Then I'm going to scroll down a little bit. I like this one, and for example, this one. And now I'm just going to click on continue button. And now what you have to do is select 3 colors you'd like your designers to explore. So for example, I'll pick the blue one maybe, and this orange one, and maybe this cyan over here, and I will click continue. And on the next page, you can enter slogan down below, but it is optional. You can skip that. And for the industry, you select something, whatever you like. I'm going to choose animals and pets, for example, and budget you can also skip, and click on continue button once again. And now you just have add up to 5 symbols you'd like your logo to include. This is optional as well, but I'm going to put something like money, I don't know, just to get it like this, and click on continue button again. And as you can see, this will start up right now, and in a matter of minutes, you will get your fully professional logo done by these guys. And just take a look how many of these you get. If you had to create something like this in Photoshop or Canva, it would take hours on to draw up this logo, get this text, and put this together. This tool literally did this in a few seconds, and all you had to do is just click a few times. I honestly like this one over here, and when you click on that, you will click on Edit Logo, and here you can make a little adjustments if you like, and this tool will also compile a done-for-you business cards, t-shirts, and all these different features. As you can see, billboards, bags, you can put this anywhere you like. And all of this will cost you $20 for the basic package, $65 for premium package, and $150 for the enterprise package. But now you don't have to spend money on this out of your own pocket, because I'm going to show you literally how to get this completely for free. And this leads us to second step of our method today, and for it I want you guys to connect to Fiverr.com. And we all know Fiverr. It's a freelancing website where we can put to use the website we have just covered. And in here, people will actually pay you plenty of money to design logos for them, because nowadays logo design and any kind of design category is pretty popular. And for example, take a look at this person over here. He will create a cool logo and branding elements starting at $432. So over $400 for a simple logo, and this guy already sold 41. So that's some crazy amount of money. That's like $17,000 only by creating logos. So let's say he sells one logo, and then he comes here and buys this premium package, for example. That's $432 minus 65. That's over $350 for free. That's some nice business model, trust me. This guy has created an incredible business for himself. And like I told you, all these people are doing this. They're using tools like Designhill and using the money they've collected on Fiverr, because remember, people pay you on Fiverr first before you have to go and pay for the package on Designhill. So if a client pays you $200, you come over to Designhill and you take, for example, this $20 package. That's $180 in your pocket. So this is a really easy job, really easy to do, completely beginner friendly. Anyone can do this because it's so simple. It's a nice stream of income just creating these logos, investing a bit in Designhill, but you get a lot of profit on Fiverr. And as you can see, it will only cost you your time, and everyone has some spare time. The only difference is how we use it. We need to start and take our time seriously. We need to start monetizing it, and this is the perfect way. This business model is so sweet. It can make you a lot of money, and you can do it over and over again. So that's it for today's video, guys. Remember, take action, and I will see you in the next video.